Guys, ready to harvest na naman again. Huwag kang tumago. So ayan, as you can see guys, dahil first ang kalamansi. Bam. Di ba? Takot siya. Yan. Ito. So ayan nga po. Pitas kami ng kalamansi. Mag-hi ka naman. Yan. Ayaw magpitas?
I don't want.
Why?
Ay hindi, I will pitas. Kasi kailangan na para may dahil ano. Hello, I don't have plastic.
Ilagay lang dito.
Para hati na lang kami nila.
Kapal mo ako nagbayad.
Magkano ba?
50. Sa kanila
Isang
yan.
kilo?
Oo, 1 kilo. Magbili ka rin ba?
Kami. Magkano pag 500?
Hala,
Ay di...
ilang kilo na yan? Marami na yan.
Ewan ko lang sila. Sa ano, sa ginapatinda nyo to doon sa labas?
Oo. Yung ate ko. Tinitinda talaga nila. Hindi marami yan. Tiro. Dito lang tayo. Ay, ito na siya. You help us because
No.
what?
What is that thing?
What do you mean?
I
This...
didn't have to. I should to.
what the fuck are you saying, guys? We're just picking some calamansi because
thought-
they're going back to Puerto Princesa tomorrow. So maybe I'm coming too.
I'm coming. Oh my god, what's that?
What the fuck? I'm coming too.
I thought
Oh, no. What do you mean?
This is so big.
Where?
It's so unbelievable.
Small or bigger? Small one? Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, just put it here. And a plastic bag. Okay.
Alright.
Ouch. You have to say, ouch. Oh, the big one. Look.
that
I saw
one.
it. Yeah. Are you guys okay?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
You enjoying it? Okay.
I'm enjoying, but my ears keep annoying me.
Uy, really?
Getting hurt.
Ole?
It's getting hurt.
Oh.
Because it's fresh pa.
It's
Yes,
fresh
ma'am.
from the farm.
You said mas maraming bunga dito.
I mean, nagbila kasi sa tayo ako gabi. Ayoko sa fresh.
So, ayan na po yung na-harvest ni Nash.
It's enough.
So, enough na po to. 1 kilo na po yan siya. Thank you sa mga client na bumibili ng kalamansi.